In this video, I'm going to talk about how do you delete auto-identify axis in TRBC-III. Once you open up this TRBC-III software, as you can see, you need to open up the drawing as well. Okay, press Z to hide and press Z to unhide the drawing. Just like this, you can also see the gesture will appear over top here, and left click and right click and middle click will be a different colors. Right now, I will proceed with auto identifying step. So if you're not sure about this step, you can always go to the previous video. I will make a guide step by step on how to auto identify axis. Right? Okay. Right now, okay, right click and then select the label, auto identify. Let's say you got your auto identify axis. Let's say you proceed with your modeling process, and sooner or later you found that, oh, I did something wrong. I accidentally identified the other software and I make it worse. I actually save this thing. So what should you do right now? Because as you can see, you're unable to select the axis through column, wall, even axis. There's two steps in TRBC. Once you can go onto the axis line here, go to this step. I will zoom in. Over here, you'll see the axis. When you click on it, it will appear axis and secondary axis. The first step will be you can go on to this secondary axis, zoom out, you can delete everything from here. This step will be similar with the TASCIII. However, in TRB, you got another step is in your axis grid line X, this section, you click on this cross element select and you're able to delete unwanted identify axis below. Click on it, circle and delete. Select it and delete. In the second part of the video, I'm going to talk about how do you hide identify axis. First of all, I need you to look at my screen right now. As you can see, on the left hand side here, this is axis grid versus on the right hand side here, this is identify axis. In this software, it's known as secondary axis. The difference with these two is that the axis, which is much brighter in color, versus the identify axis, which is much darker. And how do you hide and unhide these two axes? First of all, you need to open up this axis over here. Click on the axis. Let me zoom in. Click on the axis and the sub icon will be appear. And you hold long enough on your mouse on this axis, it will appear the name axis grid bracket X and secondary axis bracket U. From here, when you click on the X, the axis will disappear. Click on the X again, the axis will appear. And for the secondary axis, which is the axis that you identify, you click on the U and it will disappear. Click on the U again, it will appear. Same goes to other functions such as move the identify axis, select and move, and delete. Yeah, everything will do. So if you found this video useful, then just give me a like and share it to someone you love. Thank you.